throw your PC into the trash if you are still using your Chrome like this. Okay, don't actually do that. But if your Chrome still looks boring, then boom, you need this customization. Welcome to Anonymous Share. Today, I am gonna show you how to transform your Chrome browser from basic to insane. And at the end, I will show you a secret YouTube trick that let you skip and rewind video like a pro without even touching your mouse. So stay tuned. The first thing you need to do is visit your Chrome browser, click on the three dots here, go to extensions and go to visit Chrome Web Store. Click on the visit Chrome Web Store from here. Now you need to go to search panel and search for material new tab and press enter. Now the first extension will appear at the line. Click on the first extension, click on add to Chrome. This will add this extension directly to your Chrome browser. Now when you open a new tab, this extension will be loaded automatically. Now let's try it. Okay, so you can see the extension is loaded successfully. Now you can just customize this extension from this small dot here. Click on the dot. You can add shortcuts, you can add the bookmark section as well, and you can also enable AI tools from here, and you can also customize the theme of this extension from here as well. Let's set the theme of this extension to pink. Now we can also access ChatGPT, Gemini and many other AI tools from this extension. So now, and as promised, here's a YouTube trick that lets you control video without touching your mouse. Most people only know the spacebar to pause video, but did you know that you can skip, rewind and even speed up YouTube video with hidden shortcuts? You can press J to rewind 10 seconds. You can press L to skip 10 seconds. Press K to pause or play your video, or press Shift plus greater than button to speed up playback, and press the Shift plus lesser than button to slow your playback. And there you have it. Your Chrome is now looking clean, aesthetic and super functional. If you found this useful, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button for more crazy customizations, which are coming later. And if you made it this far, comment Chrome Master to flex your new skill.